Today we're diving into the VIVOSUN S425 4x2 grow tent, a game changer for indoor gardening enthusiasts. Constructed from high-quality 600D Oxford canvas with a reinforced PE layer and 100% reflective mylar walls, this tent is designed to keep every bit of light inside, enhancing the efficiency of your setup. The upgraded zipper design, featuring a black inner lining, ensures a light-proof environment without the need for additional flaps or tape. Supporting this robust structure are strong metal poles, top bars, and tool-free corner connectors that securely lock everything in place. The tent can handle up to 100 pounds on its top hanging bar, catering to various equipment needs. The 340G high-density fabric not only provides excellent light blockage, but also offers tear resistance and waterproofing, while the PE lining and mylar walls inside ensure a safe environment for your plants. Observation and maintenance are made easy with a transparent plastic window that allows you to check on your plants without disturbing their environment. Heat dissipation is facilitated by a bottom window, and the hook and loop fasteners on the window cover make access convenient. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the removable floor tray. Assembly is a breeze, even for beginners, with detailed instructions that guide you through setup in minutes. No tools are required, thanks to the stable corner connectors. The tent also features ample openings for duct fans, lamps, and electrical cords, along with an inner tool organizer for keeping your gardening essentials within reach. Versatile and well-designed, the VIVOSUN S425 4x2 grow tent is suitable for various indoor spaces like garages, balconies, and closets. Whether you're a novice or seasoned gardener, this tent offers the perfect environment to nurture your plants effectively.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.